In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer line to a new phone. Before you even touch your new device, we're going to prepare everything on your old phone so your chats, contacts, and settings move over smoothly and safely. First, update the Line app to the latest version from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. This ensures you have the newest transfer tools and avoids glitches during login. It's a quick check. Open your App Store, search for Line, and tap Update if you see it. For a smoother process, keep both phones charged and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Next, open Line on your old phone and tap the gear icon to go into Settings. Head to Account and confirm your phone number, email address, and password are all current and active. This information is essential for account verification and recovery. If anything is outdated, update it now. Keep your credentials private and never share any verification codes. Now, still in Settings, go to Backup and Transfer Chats, then tap Backup Chat History now. If you haven't set one before, you'll be asked to create a 6-digit backup PIN. Choose a code you can remember but others can't guess, and keep it secure. Let the backup finish. The time it takes depends on how many chats and media files you have. Staying on Wi-Fi helps speed this up and prevents mobile data use. With your backup complete, stay on the old device and go to Backup and Transfer Chats again. Choose the Easy QR Code Transfer option. A QR code will appear on the screen. Keep that screen awake and bright, and place the phone on a stable surface. QR codes can time out, so be ready to scan soon after it appears. On your new phone, open Line, tap Login, and select Login with QR code. When prompted, allow camera access, then point the camera at the QR code on your old phone's screen. Hold steady and fill the frame. If the scan doesn't register, increase the old phone's screen brightness or adjust the angle to avoid glare. After the QR scan succeeds, tap Login on the new phone when prompted. Follow any on-screen confirmations. Keep the app open while your data syncs and your chat history restores from the backup you made earlier. Depending on the size of your history, this can take a few moments. When it finishes, browse your chats to confirm everything looks right and you're done. You've successfully transferred Line to your new phone with your conversations intact.